Learn a Lot While You Sit on the Pot by Jack Haynes is a unique trivia book designed to turn your bathroom time into an engaging learning experience. This Kindle edition, published in October 2024, offers a collection of bite-sized trivia and fun facts across a wide range of topics, including science, history, sports, pop culture, technology, mind puzzles, and more. The book is 150 pages long and supports text-to-speech and screen reader features, making it accessible and convenient for various reading preferences. It holds a respectable customer rating of 4.6 out of 5 from 684 ratings, indicating strong overall satisfaction. The book's concept is both humorous and practical. It encourages readers to make productive use of short breaks by absorbing interesting knowledge in a lighthearted format. The trivia sections are short and varied, perfect for quick reading sessions. This makes it ideal for people who want to learn something new without committing to long reading periods. The author cleverly blends educational content with humor, making the book enjoyable for readers of all ages. Jack Haynes demonstrates a broad and deep knowledge of trivia, presenting facts that range from the history of flushing and soap science to quirky bathroom habits of famous people. The book covers topics such as halitosis, dental care, bacteria sources, dermatology, chamber pot history, language oddities, food history, art trivia, sports, brain teasers, mythology, folklore, celebrity notes, and unusual scientific discoveries. This wide scope ensures there is something intriguing for everyone. Many readers appreciate the book's entertaining style and the way it transforms mundane moments into opportunities for amusement and learning. The humor is polished and the facts are presented in an accessible manner. The book has been praised as a perfect gift, especially for those who enjoy trivia or want a fun conversation starter. It has been a hit in white elephant gift exchanges due to its silly yet informative nature. Users have reported that the book is especially popular among family members who enjoy reading in the bathroom, with some finding it hilarious and a refreshing alternative to screen time. The mix of trivia and puzzles keeps the content engaging and prevents it from feeling repetitive or dull. The book's layout allows readers to easily flip to topics of interest or discover unexpected facts, enhancing usability. Despite its many strengths, some readers feel that the excerpts provide limited depth on certain topics, and that the book does not offer extensive learning in any single area. It is more suited for light, casual reading rather than in-depth study. However, this aligns well with its intended purpose as a fun pastime rather than a comprehensive reference. The Kindle format offers enhanced typesetting and X-ray features, which help readers navigate the content and understand references more easily. The file size is manageable at 9.8 MB, and the inclusion of text-to-speech support makes it accessible for those who prefer listening or have visual impairments. Overall, Learn a Lot While You Sit on the Pot is a cleverly crafted trivia book that combines humor with a wide array of fascinating facts. It is perfect for anyone who loves trivia, enjoys light reading, or wants to make the most of short breaks throughout the day. The book's unique theme and engaging content make it a standout choice for casual readers and trivia enthusiasts alike. If you own this book, consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for interested viewers.